Hello friends, I'm sure you all are doing good and therefore you all are welcome to my channel Live, Sing, Eat and Travel. Today we are going to cook a fish recipe without using a drop of oil. So let's see the ingredients. And if you like my video then kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more recipes. I am taking 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 big-sized onion. I am taking a complete big garlic, 5 to 6 green chilies and 2 to 3 small branches of curry leaves and a kg of Rohu fish. Now preheat a non-stick pot and add the sliced onions and the garlics and the chilies. Fry them well in low heat until brown red. Now add some salt according to your taste. Now add the turmeric. Now add some hot red chili powder. Add the garam masala and fry them well. So your onions, garlics and the chilies are nicely fried. Now add the sliced tomatoes. Look, all the ingredients have nicely fried. Now keep them aside to cool and add the salt marinated fishes to the same pot. Now let them steam to boil the fishes for 5 to 7 minutes by covering the lid. Our fishes are fried well. Now add the curry leaves on the pot and let them dry. See, our curry leaves become dry. Now add all the ingredients to a mixer grinder and make a fine paste of all of them. Now add 4 to 5 cups of hot water to the pot and add the fishes one by one. Now add salt according to your taste. Now add the fine paste and mix them well. Now boil the fishes for 10 minutes. So our fish is ready. Friends, just see the color and the taste is wow! Friends, thank you so much for your kind patience for watching my video. And if you like my video then kindly like, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more such recipes. Thank you so much. Goodbye.